I would sell at 88.90, but the targets are also 89.95 a rejection, and 90.65 is another rejection area. But 88.90 is another sell area that I have. This is for Nas. Take a picture of this, guys. See how I dominate these markets? Look at this, look at this, look at this. Y'all better not sleep on me, bro. I'm telling you right now. Y'all need to hop on Go Cup. Trade indices with me, guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hop on Sundays for my trade ideas. Let me change your life. Let me change your life. Look at this. Ain't no one can say nothing about my markups. This is beautiful. No pending orders. All right, let me give you US 30.
People asking how they join.
Guys, if you're not in IML and you want to join, you're more than welcome to join me. You just got to DM me. But let's focus on this. This is US 30 and it's looking like it's going to break again. You see this? I only teach on Sundays. Okay. Is there any questions for me, guys? We got the money back signs on because we're celebrating more wins. I celebrate my wins the same way I celebrate my losses. So let's get out here. It's freaking sunny. Can't see everybody, but yeah, I can see everyone now. I'm going to be on for a few minutes to answer any questions. I'm going to be on for a few more minutes to answer questions. So if you got any team members that are confused and want to ask some questions, tell them now. So yeah, so if you're not in IML and you want to learn how to trade, you're more than welcome to DM me personally. I'm going to check my DMs. I'll probably be on here for the next 60 minutes. It is my husband's birthday, so I got to spend time with my husband. That's why I make sure I was like, I'm going to call out trades this morning and then we'll go and do something. But yes. How do you come up with your zones? I come up with my zones from the 4-hour structure. That's the truth. Any question that I ask, I'm going to be 100% transparent on here with you guys. No foo-foo-ness. If you ask me a question, I'm going to honestly answer it the right way. How much money do you need to start with US 30? It all depends on the broker you choose. What's the best way to learn how to read charts? I'm new. Find yourself a mentor. It's the best way. I see US 30 going down once it breaks out of those ranges. Yeah. How often you check your DMs? Every few days. So if you DM me now, I'll check it. So your stop losses. So when I'm looking for a stop loss, guys, now pay attention to this. Say we're getting in at the break, right? Pay real attention to this. Say this is the break, right? We get in, we're dropping. You gotta look for the next fake out candle that was a wick failure. Write this in your notes down. When you're looking for your stop losses, my hair looks crazy. That's all right. When you're looking for a stop loss, write this stuff down. You gotta look for the next rejection that was a wick failure, that was a fake out. A lot of people don't do that. Y'all be guessing your zones, your stop losses, and it's not the right way. If you really want to do it the right way. Hold on. Let me get in here. It says that service is bad out there. So let's get in here. It says service is bad. So if you want to get your stop losses, write this stuff down. You got to look for the previous candles. Oh my God, my hair looks crazy. You got to look for the previous candles that the wick failure was a fake out. If it's not a fake out, your stop loss is not going to be good and you're going to get stopped out. Oh my God, Kim for president. I need a hairstylist. I need to get my brows done, my nails. Look at this. I look terrible right now. I mean, I am Melba. I can't be your upline. You got to meet your upline. You may have an amazing upline. You never know. Do you lose trades? Oh, yes, I lose trades. How do I handle them? The same way I handle my wins. Celebrate. Every loss is another step closer to my goal. Write that down. Every loss that y'all experience in this industry is another step closer to your goal. You see, you can look at your loss and feel like, damn, bro, I lost. I'm a loser. Like, this shit is not real. This is a scam. Or you can look at it like, wow, I just learned what not to do again. Or I learned where I went wrong. Was it my emotions? Was it greed? Was it revenge? Was it over leverage? Was just not listening to your plan? Did you follow your guidelines? Did it meet your criteria? What mood were you in when you were trading these? Like, you got to write this stuff down. Like, I'm giving you nuggets. So the 15 to 100% retracements is, what happens is that a lot of traders teach, you trade the break and retest. But what a lot of traders forget is that it doesn't always retest, and then people lose an opportunity to get into that trade. So what I decided to do, I started to back test 4 years. I back tested the last 4 years of the market. And what I noticed is that when it didn't retest the 100% level, it retested the 50%, which was still a good enough execution. I do a lot of back testing, a lot of with data. I'm very big on that. So you got to self-educate and find yourself an amazing mentor. Find yourself a mentor like me. I may be looking crazy right now, but let me tell you, I'm going to put a lot of money in your pockets. That's the difference with me. Not only money, but a lot of knowledge. I'm going to shift your mindset. I'm going to teach you how to be disciplined. I'm going to teach you what you got to do. And I'm going to show you what your bank account will look like if you follow what I tell you to do, guys. You're going to sell. If it doesn't retest the 50 or the 100, you're going to wait for the 88, 90 area. 30 clip. Okay? Yes, Jaden. Also, let me give you some more nuggets. My God, let me see if I can fix his hair. A little crazy, just me. Oh my God. I look como una loca, pero whatever. So, so we got almost 1,100 people. And I need you guys to really, don't get off right now. I really need you to pay attention. Do you know why 90% of traders fail? Do you guys know why 90% of traders fail? I'm going to tell you. Fear. Fear. You let fear cripple you. You let fear paralyze you. You let fear allow greed, revenge, not being disciplined. You see, when you're in a state of fear, you're not in the best mindset. And what fear does, if it heightens the uncomfortability aspect of what you're afraid to do. So if fear knows that you are scared to get in positions or into trade ideas, what do you think fear is going to do? It's going to absorb it and heighten your fear. It's going to give you that lack of confidence. Damn, do I pull out? Do I stay in? Do I pull out? Do I stay in? But if you recognize that you're facing fear, right? And you tell fear, listen, I know you're here. I feel it, but you ain't going to get the best out of me. I'm not going to let you define me. I'm not going to let you cripple me. I'm not going to let you paralyze me. I'm not going to let you inhibit my potential because of fear. You see, most people die inside of fear. Most people die inside of fear because they never allow themselves to escape that fear. And you got to understand something. That's why 90% of traders fail. But if you don't want to be those 90%ers, you better find yourself a mentor that's going to freaking hold your ass accountable, that's going to show you the ropes, that's going to be there as a guide, but also check your ass when you're not in right place. Because I am not the coach that's going to coddle anyone, but I will be that coach that will tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear, because what you want to hear ain't going to add no value to your bank account. And what you need to hear is going to wake your ass up to reality, because you need to stop being those 90%ers. You got to stop chasing, all the hype, all the glam, all that shit you see in social media. Half of that's a facade, bro. That's a facade. Don't listen to it just because someone takes good pictures. And no, find yourself the right mentors. Find yourself a team that cares. Dude, there's so many amazing leaders and so many amazing traders in IM Academy that, dude, there's so much money for all of us to eat that there does no need to be competition. Let me tell you, I've spoken to a few chairmen and a few traders this week. And, they want me on the sessions, to teach you guys because they care about you. They want to see you win. I don't want those statistics to stay at 90%. Do you understand? I know I can change your life, but you gotta work with me. If I'm going to give you 200% of my time, you got to give me 400% of your time. You got to be willing to give up on sleep, to give up on instant gratification for long-term gratification. You got to be willing to put boundaries and make trading your number one priority. If you don't make your trading your number one priority, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to pay you like a part-time account. You want to let go of that job? You want to let go of that struggle? Well, where's your time got to be? Your time has to be on the charts. So that way you can let go of everything that's been holding you back your whole entire life. Guys, don't be another statistic. Don't be another one. Don't be those 90% amateurs. Set yourself free. Get outside of that box. Find yourself a mentor and find yourself like a bestie like me. All right? Peace. Gotta go.